Hello and welcome to our PKSIM online tutorial series. Please be reminded that the results of the checkmarked videos are necessary to be able to follow the content of this video properly. In this video, we will show you how to add observed data in PKSIM. Click on the link in the description below to download the file for the observed data. To add observed data, right-click on Observed Data in the Building Block Explorer. You can choose Add Observed Data to import your data, or you choose Add Observed Data for and click on the compound of your choice. Both options don't make a difference, that it's easier if you, for example, have multiple molecules to choose from to already predefine your compound. By choosing Add Fraction Data, you can add a fraction of dose excreted, for example to urine. You furthermore can choose Create Subfolder to organize your observed data. Move over Add Observed Data with your cursor and select Midazolam. In the opening menu, choose the observed data you want to import. You can import the following file formats: CSV, XLXS, XLS, and NMDAT. If your file contains several sheets, you can switch between these sheets on the left. On the right, you can check if your source column matches the target. By clicking on the target, you can change it and its unit by clicking on the weight symbol next to it. If you create headlines containing the right target and unit for each column in your file, PKSIM is able to automatically fill in the target and unit for each source column. By clicking on Import, you can only import the selected sheet. Click on Import All to import all the sheets of your file. On the left, there are 4 fields that have to be defined. If you have chosen Add Observed Data for, the field Compound is already predefined. Choose your compound as Molecule. Open the drop-down menu for Species. Select Human if your data were measured in humans. In the field Organ, you can define the organ your observed data are measured in. You can choose between 20 organs represented in PKSIM. If your data are drug concentrations measured in blood plasma, choose peripheral venous blood as organ. Now you need to define the compartment in which your observed data was measured. For plasma concentrations, choose Plasma. Click Apply to All to apply those informations to all imported sheets. You can also name your sheets. You can add a name of your choice manually or use one of those predefined naming patterns in the drop-down menu. For now, select File Sheet. When you are finished editing, click OK. The observed data appear on the left side under the Observed Data building block. Double-click on the desired sheet to open your observed data. In the opening sheet, your data are presented in a table and in a diagram. In the diagram, you can switch between linear and logarithmic scale by clicking on the shifter. You can manually add more data points by clicking on Add Data Point. And you can delete data points by clicking on the bin next to the data point. Many thanks for watching and see you soon on our next video.